Hi millionaires, Ben here, property specialist of Megaworld at the Fort, and today, let's tackle the pros and cons on getting a property here in Megaworld Corporation. So sabi dun sa question is, pangit daw yung property admin ni Megaworld. So let's talk about property admin, yung mga kailangan tayo like billings, like that. And kapag naman may mga concerns kayo sa unit, alis sila yung unit or may papa-manage kayo, usually si property admin. Yung mga concerns before kasi ay yung mga leakage o kaya yung sa mga piping, ganyan. So yun yung mga tinatanong ng mga buyers usually in buying a property. So right now, nagpalit na kami ng management. So, to improve yung deliverables sa mga clients and then yung experience nila. So, kaya nag-update kami ng property admin. Yes, that's a cons kung hindi maganda yung admin na nag-handle sa inyo. So, with Megaworld, ini-improve naman namin lagi yung experience and we learn from our mistake. So, yes, I assure you, in buying a new condo, mas maganda na yung admin na may experience nyo here.